Operator precedence determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before those with lower precedence. For example, multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction, so they are performed first. Additionally, using parentheses can change the evaluation order, allowing you to control the sequence in which operations are carried out.